guys, that's Scratch Coding Playground or Scratch Code to Play. Okay, now we'll start the part 2. Yeah, do you remember this? Yeah. Let's put the sounds.
Let's go and
write jump. G-O.
No. Say yo, you silly
Jump.
boy.
I'm not silly.
I jump. Wow, I love jumpers.
Yeah, because you're silly, so you love jump.
No, I hope like a kangaroo, so I went that way.
Start sound jump. The same thing here. We should bring jump. We already put so we delete and delete. We're funny.
No jump.
It's okay. Jump is already jump.
I say you're saying jump. It is jump.
The same, probably.
Okay,
it's not same. Okay,
so go to sounds and
start sound jump
and go here to the apples and say
it's already have jump.
Yeah. Now it's jump. Okay.
Jump.
So you're gonna go to the search of sounds and you're gonna write jump.
Start sound. No. The apple already have jump. Don't you remember?
Yeah.
Okay, start sound jump and here start sound jump. To start sound.
So to it make a sound.
Yeah. Start. The flag is clicked. Okay. When the flag is clicked, set red ninja score to 0 and yellow ninja score to 0 too.
And make new sprite called.
Yeah, new sprite. Don't you call
don't need a code. Okay, to go text
and make it red here.
And say red ninja 1. Red ninja 1. So if you have a laptop, that will make it easier. But if you have only a tablet,
it's
okay.
Telephone, it's okay. But it's more easier when you use tablets.
The laptop units.
Yeah. Laptop. Yellow.
Yeah, yellow.
Yellow ninja 1. Text is right.
Funny. So we're gonna make it.
Yeah, this color. But if you want another color, that's okay.
Any color you want, any color you like. Okay, so we're gonna go to the red ninja and
when the flag is clicked
forever. If
then, yeah, I see. Here
go
operators and
that's equal. What is equal? I don't know.
No. We already mentioned it. You know, but you're saying you don't know.
To just explain. Okay, equal like the same of.
We'll say here red ninja score. This is red ninja score is equal.
But you can put the yellow verse. No, yeah.
It's okay. Broadcast.
You're going to broadcast. Because you must
red
score.
1. Okay, red 1. Here, just make it. Give it the same, but here we have to make some changes. Yellow ninja 1, broadcast, a new message.
Yellow.
Yeah.
1.
Yellow 1.
Go
and
to
then
sprites.
Go to sprites. When I see red 1, show. Yeah, I meant switch custom to custom 2, and no red. Which one? Switch custom to custom 1. Custom 1, okay. When the flag is clicked, hide,
and then stop.
Stop all. Same thing here, but here we have to make yellow 1 and here custom 2. here we already put it and we forgot to remove it for trying the game. One vlog like forever. One vlog live forever.
Sound jump.
What chump you? Did we return a chump? We already finished it. Don't you remember?
Okay.
You mean you forgot your mind?
It's silly.
Yeah, we love the song. It's our
song.
Yeah, but I say but start.
Why?
No, I know it. It's not because this plays sound out song until done. Until it's done. This starts forever. So don't forget to mention it. Wait, you're not gonna win me this time. I can teach you a lesson. What a lesson. Now equal. Yeah, oh, hey. No. Yeah, Yellow Ninja won. Hey. Okay. But wait, before we end this tutorial, the sprite is not equal. Let's here, and this too. Oh no, it's okay. So I hope you enjoyed our tutorial, guys, and scratch on, and don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye bye. Don't.